Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can use our chat API in any workflow. Let's see step by step. So I have created this workflow on Anytin. In the first node I have added this Gmail account and I have filtered the email with the label category social because I don't want to send reply on my every email ID. Now, next is HTTP request method. Here I have used the post method and this endpoint URL I have passed. This you can get from SigmaMind AI doc itself. So here you can see we have to pass this endpoint URL, and in header we have to pass content type and API key, and in body we have to pass the agent ID. So this API key you can generate from SigmaMind AI dashboard itself. Let's see how. So from SigmaMind dashboard, you need to go to this API keys. Here you just need to click on create API key. And here just give the name of key and click on create. Once your API key will be generated, you'll have to save it somewhere safely because once you close this window, the API key will not be visible for anyone. Next, we need a agent ID. So this agent ID you can get from SigmaMind AI dashboard itself. So here you can see I have created this AI agent and I am going to use this agent in Anytin workflow. So you just need to copy this agent ID from here. So in the Anytin workflow, in the same way I have passed, in header I have passed content type, the API key that we have generated on SigmaMind AI dashboard, and in body I have passed the agent ID that you can get from here. And that's it. In the next step, I have used this edit field. This field is used for exactly what data we want to send forward. Now I have used this reply to a message node to send a reply. Here you just need to pass the message ID that you can just drag it from Gmail trigger here. And next one is you have to pass the message that you what you want to send. So that you can also just drag it from here, the content. And that's it. Once you can see this workflow is executed successfully. The response is already sent to my email. Also, you can see the message is sent to the user. So that's how you can easily integrate the chat API into any system. Try it out and start building smarter automation. Thank you.